We are here in Lucas, Texas today, and we have an attitude of we're going to get your house sold. We get the job done. We don't make excuses. We just get in and make it happen. We do everything. Your average agent always says, well, we put it on MLS. Everybody puts it on MLS. Come on. But we go above and beyond to get the job done. We will knock on customers' door, all your neighbors' doors, and say hello, introduce ourselves, let them know that we're selling your house. But this particular house today, we have a broker open. We have all of our EXP agents out here to help get this thing sold. This particular home is 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bath, $1 billion. We got sushi over there. We got everything over there. This is incredible what we're doing, and we'll do the same thing for you and your family. So what we do on these open houses is we bring everybody, and we have a lender here, one of our special lenders that we're so excited about. And I want her to introduce herself, because did you help out with the food and everything?
I woke up at 8 a.m. today, pick up all the food, all the decorations, show up here at 10 to make sure everyone has a good, successful open house, just to support each other, support our community.
Yeah.
We are here at Absolute Mortgage and Lending. We are our own lender. We have our own underwriter in-house. Everything can be handled very smoothly from top to finish. And if you need help with any open house, support from us, please feel free. Always reach out. We're open to networking, support each other to become successful in this time.
Let's take a look at the mother-in-law suite. This place is awesome, man. Come on back, check it out. They got got everything. Laundry room, bathroom, everything. I thought when I first came back here, I said, this is a smaller master bedroom, but it's got everything. So I thought it was, but actually, no. This is your mother-in-law suite. Absolutely amazing. Beautiful views of the yard right here. You can see everything. We're on an acre lot. Absolutely incredible. It's so much fun being here. The energy with everybody being here for this broker open. And again, I can't stress it enough. That's the way we work. We want to get the job done. We will leave no stone left unturned. We're going to do everything in our power to make sure we help you get your house sold. So when we say we're going to get the job done, we're going to get the job done. We got about 65 of us here now. These are all real estate agent cars. We got lenders here. We got everybody here showing off this house and making sure we take care of our customer. And it goes all the way back there as well. Doing everything in our power, because not one thing works, but everything absolutely works. Having a blast here at our open house with everybody. It's just absolutely amazing. Having a good time. This is the type of work that we do. And the attention to detail of the way we've put this together. And no kidding, one of these real estate agents is going to bring someone here this weekend, and this house is going to sell quickly. And that's how you do it. You just gotta, you gotta do everything outside the norm. Some people would say, oh, these are a waste of time. It's just a bunch of real estate agents eating sushi and having fun. And I say it all the time. It's never just one thing. It's everything. If you just do one thing, it's never going to work. You got to do everything. And that's what we do for our customers, is because we want this experience as you're moving from one place into your new place. We want it to be as least stressful as possible. And you need to know that I'm working nonstop to get that house sold. And that's the attitude we have. And so today we're out here on this, and it's a great time for us all to get together and check, hey, what you got going on in the market, what's going on with you, what's going on with this, how's that listing over there in Louisville, how's that listing over there in Dallas, and just a great time. And we get to see a beautiful place like this. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous home, and we're going to do everything in our power to help this seller get this house sold.